Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear student, take out the books, course book English, course book, and open the page number 142 and let's start the lecture today. Part A from page number 142. Use the hieroglyphs on page 140 to decode the following passage. Remember to include the correct punctuation. Dear student, look at these symbols carefully and then turn to the page number 140 and punctuate the correct word. Look at this picture carefully. Dear student, look at page number 140, these symbols. First picture is represent word H. Second picture is represent the word E. And the line is represent L, double L. And this kind of picture is represent O. Then he word pronounce it H, E, L, L, O. This word is, this picture symbols is represent the word hello. Word hello. Dear students, this kind of letter resembles H. This kind of letter word E, L, L, O. This word is word hello. This word is resembles word H, E, double L, O, hello. Dear student, first symbol represents I, then letters represent AM. I am an 11 years old boy. The other picture is resemble, this kind of picture is D or do, Y O U, L I V live, I N in, T H E the, I live in the deserts, T O 2 and with question mark. In these symbols word represents hello. I am an 11 years old boy. Do you live in the deserts too? Then next page number 142, vocabulary, borrowed words. Some English words are borrowed words that have root words in Greek and Latin. Borrowed words from Greek, root word onoem, name, synonym and pseudonym, para, beside, parallel, paragraph, path, meaning feeling, suffering, sympathy, telepathy, phone, sound, samphone, microphone, class, mold, word plastic, plasma, root word chlor, meaning green, chlorine and chlorophyll, cycle, root word meaning circular, example cycle, cyclone, dia, apart, through, dialysis, diameter, gen, birth or produce, meaning genetic, generate, hyder, water, hydrant, dehydrate, root word port, meaning carry, transport, export, root word quest, meaning ask, seek, question, request, root word soul, meaning alone, solitary, desolate, urb, city, urban, superb, earth or land, terrain, territory, rupt, break, rapture, erupt, root word ab, away, meaning absent, abnormal, cave, word meaning hollow, word hollow, cavity, and excavation, dense, meaning thick, density, condense, fin, meaning end, finish, final, juve, meaning young, javelin, juvenile, juvenate, lax, not, tense, meaning relax, and laxative. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the two tables above. Number 1, they have to finish harvesting to the grain, harvesting the grains before the rain starts. Number 2, rubbing two stones together will generate heat. Number 3, the density of the water is more than the ping pong ball. The density of the water is more than the ping pong ball, so the ball floats and does not sink. I have to fill the cavity in your tooth to stop the decay, said the dentist. Number 5, Harold prefers the solitary life on the deserted island. Deserted island. Dear student, question answers from unit number 12. Number 1, in your opinion, why could not anyone in the world read the hieroglyphs before the Rosetta Stone was discovered? Answer number 1, because hieroglyphs went out of use and people did not know the script. Number 2, how did the Rosetta Stone help Egyptologists to read hieroglyphics? Answer number 2, to Rosetta Stone consisted of the language secrets which helped the Egyptologists to read hieroglyphs. To Rosetta Stone consisted of the languages secrets which helped the Egyptologists to read hieroglyphs. Number 3, in what ways are modern pictorial symbols different from hieroglyphs? Answers. Modern pictorial symbols are different from hieroglyphs. They are made with punctuation marks or other keyboard characters used in emails or chat rooms. They convey the reader's emotions, whereas hieroglyphs was a form of language that people used to communicate their thoughts with. Question number 4, when you speak, how can you express your emotions? Answer. Answer number 4, by the face, tone of voice or body language. By the face, tone of voice or body language. Question number 5, which is your favorite method of communication and why? Dear student, this is a question by yours. All suitable answers will accept. Dear student, which method you have like and favorite to communicate, and write their answers. All suitable answers will be accepted. Dear students, question answers learn by heart and write on your notebooks as homework.